It's the Beginner Locksmith, and this is YouTube's University's Automotive Locksmith course, Intro to the TR47 Kiwi, Lesson 8C, Remote Programming, featuring the Autek Elite. So in this video, we're going to go over programming the remotes through OBD, this time using the Autek Elite. Well guys, let's get to it. So I'm going to show you guys real quick how to program the remote portion of this car with the Autek Elite. So go to Mobilizer, find Toyota, USA, by system, remote, type 1 CAN. Let it load. Add remote. Okay, so turn the ignition on. And open the driver door. So that's done. I'm gonna press continue. Now press hold, then press lock. And when you hear that beep, that's the remote successfully programming. And then you just exit, continue. Program succeeded. Now, perfect. Perfect. Everything seems to work. Nice. So that's how we program the remote with the Autek Elite. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the final overview in Mobilizer. All the way down to Toyota. By system, remote, and you would do type 1 CAN. And you would simply follow the prompt. It would start by you press add remote, turn ignition on, and then leave the door open. Then it would ask you to hold the lock and unlock for about 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Then you press the lock for 1 second. And when you hear the chime, it programs right in. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys learned something, please like, comment, subscribe, and press the hype button. And thanks for watching. Beginner Locksmith signing off.